Hello and welcome to another robotic fabrication tutorial. This time we're going to look at precise placement and path planning to create a sculptural assemblage using inclined sticks. This work is inspired by the sculptures of Mary Kim. I think her last name is Odradek, and you can see some of her work here. So in order to begin thinking about how to plan the robotic placement of sticks for something like this, first of all, we have to think about how are they going to be fastened together. And one distinction that I would like to make between Mary Kim's sculptures and our assemblage is that we're going to combine robotic placement with human handheld tools such as a drill and possibly either screws or dowels to make the connections. So whereas her work shows the pieces connected end to end, the primary difference is that our work with the robot will require face-to-face attachment or placement of the sticks. So this is a major consideration in the way that we're approaching each stick so as not to collide with previously positioned elements, and thinking about how to orient the robot to come in from the right side or the left side of the assemblage. So all of this has to enter into account. We can, of course, change the script, change the approach logic, and determine to connect them end to end. That would take a slightly different strategy. So let's take a look at how we're going to do this. So the first thing we notice is that this requires each stick to be configured consecutively and with precise path planning. And we may need to reconfigure the pose of the robot so that it can realign itself after it picks up the next stick in line. It may also require that you attach the base stick to a platform so that it doesn't move and so that the rest of the assemblage can be connected to it. So let's see how we're going to do this, and let's get started.